The DJI Avata 3, which many insiders and drone enthusiasts are now casually calling the DJI Avata 360, has rapidly emerged as one of the most anticipated FPV drone releases in the consumer and prosumer drone space, generating massive discussion across FPV forums, leak accounts, Reddit threads, and social media communities focused on first-person view flying, cinematic drones, and next-generation aerial camera technology. And while DJI has not officially confirmed anything yet, the growing number of rumors, prototype sightings, and insider chatter strongly suggest that something major is in development, whether that ends up being a true Avata 3 successor, a brand new 360-degree FPV drone, or a hybrid concept that blends immersive FPV flight with full spherical video capture. Based on early reports, the next Avata platform is expected to build on the strengths of the Avata 2, which already improved image clarity, signal stability, durability, and beginner accessibility, but many pilots are hoping the next iteration pushes performance further with faster top speeds potentially reaching or exceeding 140 km per hour, more refined flight dynamics, upgraded motors and propeller design for better stability at high speeds, and improved agility for freestyle FPV flying as well as smoother cinematic runs. And one of the most talked about rumored upgrades is the camera system, with speculation pointing toward a larger 1-inch sensor that could significantly enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, HDR video quality, and high frame rate recording for slow-motion FPV footage, which would be a massive step forward for action cinematography, immersive FPV content creation, and professional aerial videography, especially if DJI integrates advanced electronic image stabilization, improved color science, and higher bit-rate video recording options designed to compete with standalone action cameras and dedicated FPV camera setups. Battery life is another major focus, with leaks suggesting a higher capacity battery potentially exceeding 3,000 mAh, which could translate into 25 to 30 minutes of flight time depending on flight style, wind conditions, and payload, along with a redesigned battery swap mechanism that allows quicker changes in the field, making it more practical for travel vloggers, FPV explorers, and drone pilots who want longer sessions without constant downtime. On the transmission side, insiders believe DJI may introduce a new or updated digital FPV transmission system offering lower latency, stronger signal penetration, longer range, and better compatibility with the latest FPV goggles, which would be critical for both cinematic pilots and racers who demand real-time responsiveness and crystal-clear live feed. And if the Avata 360 concept becomes reality, this could involve an entirely new capture workflow where pilots can reframe shots in post-production using 360-degree footage, opening up new creative possibilities for immersive VR content, YouTube 360 videos, social media reels, and interactive FPV experiences. Design-wise, the drone is still expected to follow DJI's cinewhoop-inspired philosophy with a lightweight yet durable frame, integrated propeller guards for safer indoor and close proximity flight, and a rugged build that can handle minor crashes, making it appealing to beginners while still powerful enough for experienced pilots. And additional rumors point toward advanced safety features such as full 360-degree obstacle sensing, smarter return-to-home behavior, improved subject tracking, enhanced motion control systems, and more intuitive flight tutorials and assisted modes aimed at lowering the learning curve for newcomers to FPV drones. Pricing speculation suggests DJI may keep the Avata 3 or Avata 360 within a familiar range, with a standard kit possibly landing between $800 and $1,000 and higher-end bundles with goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries reaching $1,200 to $1,500, though final pricing could shift depending on whether the rumored camera upgrade, new goggles, or 360 capture hardware are included by default, and when it comes to the release timeline. But that window has passed without an announcement, leading many analysts to believe the launch may now be scheduled for even early 2026, which aligns more closely with DJI's typical product refresh cycles and could also be influenced by global regulations, certification processes, security reviews, and region-specific compliance requirements, especially if new data handling features or advanced sensors are involved. The confusion surrounding leaked designs has only fueled speculation, as some prototypes resemble a traditional Avata-style FPV drone, while others appear closer to a dedicated 360-degree aerial camera platform, leading to theories that DJI could either merge both concepts into a single product or release two separate models with distinct purposes, and until DJI officially reveals its plans, everything remains speculative. But one thing is clear: the next evolution of the Avatar lineup is shaping up to be a major step forward in FPV drone technology, immersive video creation, and accessible high-performance flight, making it a release worth watching closely for anyone interested in DJI drones, FPV flying, cinematic aerial footage, action camera alternatives, or the future of 360-degree aerial content creation.